at CareerTech, what we work off of is demand. I mean, we don't create a supply of workforce, we create a workforce because of the demand that's out there in the industry. And that's why Oklahoma CareerTech is so strong, why we've been so nimble, and that's what we're doing in the aerospace industry. It's the #2 industry in the state, possibly going to be #1 before long, and so we've got to do a better job. We've got to do more. So that's what we're seeking to do right now, and we have a team that's committed to do that. I'm committed to do that. The whole agency is. So one thing that we're going to do to make sure that that happens is with Choose Aerospace. We are working right now to make sure that every CareerTech school has licenses for any student that's enrolled in those programs and wants to take part in Choose Aerospace. So we're going to make sure that happens through Department of CareerTech.
So a lot of the barriers that did exist no longer exist in the state of Oklahoma, thanks to CareerTech and seeing the vision of Choose Aerospace and what we're trying to do organizationally. We created this curriculum that will be used in high school that will allow students to learn FAA certification requirements for the FAA General in high school that can then be used to go to either an airframe and power plant maintenance school or go directly to the industry.
The other thing that we're going to do is, if you see your legislators from Oklahoma, thank them, because they are contributing to CareerTech in a big way this year to make sure that every program that has been on the wait list for the last couple years gets funded. So those are all going to be funded this year. But we want to make sure there's an increase in funding so that you can get the tools, the equipment, the curriculum that make the difference. Because if we don't create a pipeline for these jobs, if we don't show students that there's interest or build their interest, then they're not going to do it. I was in the classroom for 8 years, and then as a principal for 5, realized that you can tell a student all the things that you want to tell them, but until you show it to them, they're not going to be interested. So that's what we do each and every day. And so thank you all for being here and expressing that need to the people that have more opportunities than you and I had, than anyone ever has had, for great jobs that lead to great lives. So just thanks for being here.